Here's how to install a Rain-X repellency blade on a small pin-type arm. First, pry off the adapter cover by inserting your thumb under the edge. Lift slightly and remove the cover with your opposite hand. Next, rotate the adapter up. Pinch together the tabs at the back while using your opposite hand to push down and remove the blue spacer. You're now ready to install the blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. The universal adapter uses a locking tab to tightly secure the blade to the vehicle. To open, use your thumb to flip up. Due to the tight design needed to secure the blade to the vehicle, opening may require a little force. You can also use a quarter to easily flip open. Next, insert the small pin into the smaller hole, pushing all the way through. Lower the tab and press down until it locks into place with a click. Tug on the blade to be sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Finally, activate the Rain-X water repelling technology. To do this, ensure your windshield is clean. Turn on the wiper blades and wipe at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. In wet weather conditions, simply run the wipers across the windshield. In dry weather conditions, apply water or washer fluid to the windshield intermittently throughout the activation period. After activation, spray washer fluid onto the windshield to observe the water beading. Installation is complete. You're now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X water repellency wiper blades.